Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to continue the explanation of Models Worksheet Part 2. Part 2. So, you please see the worksheet. Even I will give you the Word file, okay, the worksheet of Word file, and there you will do the answer. I am reading the question number 1. The instruction is fill in the blanks with appropriate models. The question number first is you blank space has been denoted with a small a. Not indulge yourself in unnecessary talks. So here what is there? You should. It is a kind of advice is there. This is exam time and I know if you work hard you work hard, you blank space do wonders. What is this? This is the capacity or ability. So you can do wonders, but the only thing is that you blank space have your aim very clear and in front of your eyes. So what is that? That you should have a kind of advice is there. So accordingly, you will just do this on. So first one I have done. The answer is should. First one is should. Second one is can. And third one is once again should. So for second one you will do. The third one, question number third. It is a dialogue form and generally in dialogue form they ask question. Okay. So the question is complete the dialogue by filling in the blanks. Here also we will just do this. Tinku. This is the Tinku is there and one mother is there. And they both are talking. Mummy, blank space. Number A. I go to play with my friends. What is the sense coming here? Means the Tinku is seeking permission. Permission is there. So, Mummy, may I go to play with my friends? Here, Mummy should be with M, should be with capital M. By mistake, it is written with a small m. So, Mummy, may I go to play with my friends? Mother, no. You blank space not means it was a kind of prohibition. It was a kind of warning that you cannot. No, you cannot. So you will not go there. Means showing that you will not. The answer will be no, you can't. You blank space complete your homework first. It is a kind of compulsion. Okay, you must complete your homework. Tinku. Now see the statement of Tinku. There is no not much to do, mummy. So you will think that much I have already written, but it was not like that. There is not much to do. Here much is not the models. Actually much means he does not have a good amount of work, good amount of homework, much to do, mummy. I dash complete it after I return. So I is showing I dash complete it after I return. This was his determination. So I will complete. Got it? I will complete it after I return. Mother, you blank space give up this habit of making excuses. So what is there? Compulsion. You must give up this habit of making excuses. Now full stop. After this, you please say yesterday also you blank space not complete your homework. So this shows his ability. Yesterday showing the past. So past will be explained. Okay, it was ability showing. So ability in past refers to could. You could not complete your homework. Okay. So this is the answer. Question number 4 you will do same way just as I have done the question number 3. Question number 5 is also having same dialogue form. Till question number 6 you will do according to the instruction I have given you till question 5. Question number 6, use should, must, ought to, okay, appropriately in the following sentence. Now see the sentence is very much important. The students blank space their teachers. Very easy question I have given you for practice. It is what kind of sentence? Moral obligation. The students ought to respect their teachers. Question number second. Every student's blank space carry her I-card during the examination. What is this? It is a kind of compulsion, obligation, that is must carry. Every student must carry. Question number 3. You blank space keep away from bad habits like teasing girls, copying in exams. What is this? This is a piece of advice. So you should keep away from bad habits. Question number 4. Madhur seems to be quite exhausted. Full stop. She blank space takes some rest. What is that fourth sentence? It is a kind of suggestion. So the answer will be should. You will do accordingly. I am leaving now. Now question number 7. Question number 7 you please see. In each of the following sentences, provide the blanks with suitable models of permission, ability, possibility, probability, etc. According to the context of the sentence, you will have to fill. Ruchira is ill today. She blank space not come to school. It is a kind of possibility. So she may not come today. Okay, she may not come to school. Question number 2. Blank space. I talk to Miss Selja, please. So what is that? It is a kind of polite request. So the answer is, could I talk to Miss Selja, please? Question number 3. The sky is not clear today. The flight to Goa blank space be delayed. Delayed is in the past tense. Possibility is there. So possibility in past, that is could. Question number 4. If you believe in yourself, you blank space definitely do it. What is that? I believe you can definitely do it. Now you will do. Question number 8. Now please see question number 8. Fill in the blanks. Options I have given you. 4 options I have given you, MCQ question. So you will do accordingly. How blank space you have left the bathroom is such a mess. How could you? The answer will be how could you? Question number 2. Matt blank space be lazy, but he is certainly not stupid. Question number 2. An answer is Matt may be lazy. Possibility is there. Question number 3. I place speak Swedish, Dutch and Japanese. What is that? It is ability is there. So the answer will be I can speak. So you will do this one also. Question number 9. Question number 9, I have given you some sentences. Okay. And in that sentences, you will have to find out which sentence is the correct one. I am reading the sentences. That is based on the models. It is in place of edit the passage. I have given this type question. I was able to pass the exam, but I could not appear for it. Right or wrong? You will see. I could pass the exam, but I did not appear for it. This is the right answer. Okay. Having no error in this. I was able to pass the exam, but I did not appear for it. I was able to pass the exam, but I did not appear for it. But the right answer is option number B. I could pass the exam. Okay. But I did not appear for it. Both the sentence are in the past tense. The first part showing the ability. Question number 2. Nobody knows his whereabouts. He may was there in Doha. That is a completely wrong sentence. Is not making sense clear. Nobody knew his whereabouts. He may be there in Doha. Question number option number C. Nobody knows his whereabouts. He is there in Doha. So incorrect. Nobody knows his whereabouts. He might be there in Doha. Possibility is there. Okay. So might is the right answer, and the option number D is the correct one. So you will do accordingly. One more I am doing. Question number 3. Addicts may not be tortured but should be rehabilitated. May not be tortured. May not nice one. The drug addicts cannot be tortured but must be rehabilitated. No. The drug addicts should not tortured, might be rehabilitated. Next, the right answer is must. Here is the use of must is important. The drug addict must not be tortured. Okay, it is a kind of compulsion, but should be rehabilitated. This is the right answer, option number D. So accordingly you will do. Okay, and I will all the questions. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all. If there is any questions and queries related to any questions, okay, you please ask in the group or personally on my WhatsApp. Thank you very much. All the best. God bless you all.